In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Microsoft Planner to Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll have Planner set up and easy to access so you can manage tasks and projects right inside Teams without constantly switching apps. Let's start inside the Microsoft Teams desktop app or the web version, whichever you're using. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen. This is your main sidebar where you see icons like Activity, Chat, Teams, Calendar, and so on. We're going to use this area to find and add the Planner app. Near the bottom of that sidebar, find the icon labeled Apps. It usually looks like a little grid or square of dots. Go ahead and click on Apps. This opens the App Store within Teams where you can browse and install different tools that integrate directly with your workspace. Once the Apps window is open, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click into that search bar and type the word Planner. As you type, Teams will start showing matching apps. You might see something like Tasks by Planner and To Do, or a Planner-related app from Microsoft. That's the one you're looking for. Now click on the Planner app in the search results. This will open a detail page for the app where you can see a short description, some information about what it does and how it connects with Teams. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the official Microsoft Planner app or the Tasks by Planner and To Do experience, depending on what your organization uses. On this page, you'll see an Add button. Click Add. Teams will then install the app and connect it to your account. This usually only takes a few seconds. When it's done, you should see the Planner icon appear on your left-hand sidebar alongside your other main apps. At this point, Planner has been successfully added to Teams, and you can click the icon to open it. Inside, you'll be able to view and manage your existing plans, create new ones, and organize tasks for you and your team without leaving the Teams environment. Here's a helpful tip to make sure Planner is always easy to access. By default, when you add a new app, it might not stay visible in the sidebar all the time. To keep it there permanently, move your mouse over the Planner icon on the left-hand side, right-click on the Planner icon, and from the small menu that appears, select Pin. Pinning the app locks it into your sidebar so it doesn't disappear when you navigate to other parts of Teams like Chat or Calendar. This is especially useful if you'll be using Planner regularly and want to jump back into it with a single click. And that's all there is to it. You've opened the app section, searched for Planner, added it to Teams, and pinned it for quick access. Now you can manage your team's tasks and projects more efficiently, all from one place inside Microsoft Teams.